Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi. But I just realized I did the cardinal sin and I took my Aldi quarter out of my quarter holder and I just got here. I don't have a quarter. I have no change. The good news is I have a short shopping list this week because I'm trying to use pantry items, and I have a Misfits Market or Imperfect Foods delivery today. So it has lots of produce. So my shopping list is smaller, but I'm still not very happy that I won't have a cart. So hopefully my big giant bag will do. Wish me luck. Do you think I can make it? That means no extras, which will help my budget and carrying. But I hate not having an Aldi quarter. And I don't want to beg off of someone. So wish me luck. Okay, can we do it? Okay, graham crackers, $1.95. We're doing s'mores this week. I needed garlic bread, and here's $2 off. $2.89, so it's 89 cents. Yay! Okay, broccoli is $1.99 a pound, and I want a pretty big pack. And I also want Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna roast them together for a couple meals. These are $2.89. Milk is $2.65 for the gallon, but I'm gonna come back and get this at the end so I don't have to carry it the entire time. We are having salads for dinner tonight, actually. Whoops. And I'm getting croutons for $1.19. My vegetarian asked me to make sure I got mild peppers for the salads, $2.19. And we don't have any beets here. I'm so sad. That's like my favorite salad topping, but they are out right now. Okay, I'm gonna get 3 of these for my husband, 99 cents a piece. Wow, the fire pit is only $59. Everything's marked down, the pool. You guys know I'm not buying any Aldi Finds items this week since I have no room. Ooh, an electric cooler, that sounds kind of cool. Car seat cover. Lots of different game, fun things. I know my son would love this. Oh, these are cute. I love these. Snack Go Pods. $4.99. They're really cute. I love the colors. Oh, puzzle container. My kids are past that stage, although my son probably really would like the small ones for nuts. He loves to snack on nuts. It's a great thing to take in the car. Floating toys, LED color changers, little floats. Oh, these are kind of nice. Neoprene sports balls, $8.99. Good for the water. Chimes. Hammock chairs. Aplenty. Lots of different patterns. These stamp rockets are always fun. We have those. My kids love them. Hats. A lot of the same things from last week now. I need a couple sunscreens. I'm gonna get this one, the 100. That seems very protected. And then the spray at 50, so $4.39 and $5.49. I'm gonna get a couple of these chocolate bars, $1.39 a piece for doing s'mores. Okay, I'm getting the marinara sauce. We're gonna have calzones and pasta, so this will be good for both of those, $1.45. The budgeter in me wants to get these small ones. They're only 96 cents, and by small, I mean small compared to these, but my son every year wants me to get these giant guys. So I'm gonna get them, and they're $2.99. They're just fun, and they're super, super big. Okay, we're gonna have mac and cheese because we have so much of it in our pantry, but I'm gonna cut up hot dogs to go with it. So I'm gonna get these beef franks, $3.29. I'm running low on coffee. I'm gonna get the breakfast blend, $4.19. They have Philly cheesesteak seasoned beef patties. That sounds good. Or Chicago dogs. Pretty interesting. I've always thought the Aldi beef patties were pretty good. Popcorn shrimps. A lot of the same stuff as the previous weeks. Veal patties are over there. I've never had those. Still the onion rings. Okay, lots of ice cream things. We have always liked those root beer bars. I just don't have room to carry extras. As you can see, I'm getting full. I'm not even gonna look for my waters this week. for obvious reasons. Those look really cute, pepperoni cones. Still have a lot of the specialty pizzas. I'm getting a Parmesan cheese block at $4.39 to grind on our salads, and we just love this cheese. Also getting feta crumbles for salad, my husband's favorite, $1.49. I'm getting mozzarella for the calzones and to eat with our pepperonis that we have left from subs last week. That's also what we'll use in our calzones. $1.89 for the cheese. Yay, these have been on sale for $1.29 for a few weeks, so I figured I'd still get lucky. I'm gonna get 2 of them to make the calzones with. I'm just gonna look for the best dates here. 6/27 and 6/27. There we go. Oh, I think these look really yummy. Insane cookies kits, $3.99. I'm in the Aldi Finds food area. Different drinks, teas, the Spätzle. Vegan brioche buns. Is that possible? Oh, these are really good from last year. The s'mores trail mix, yummy. $4.89. I'm not gonna get them since we're making the real thing this week. Oh, anxiety jacket for pets. 4th of July is coming up. Still love this bistro set. And that chair looks so pretty. I don't see a price, but it's like a cabana chair. Oh, for $40. Okay, my total was $50.39. I forgot the milk, but I'm not going back. I'm sure I'll be back here again this week anyways. Okay, so here's my meal plan, but before we get to that, I want to show you I did restore my quarter, so there will be no crisis next time. We are having salads tonight. Honestly, I've just really been craving making homemade salads. We'll have all the toppings. I'm getting beets from Walmart later today because I couldn't stand not having beets. We have leftover shredded chicken from getting barbecue for Father's Day yesterday. It's going to be really a yummy salad, and we're also going to have the s'mores outside tonight. We have boxes upon boxes of mac and cheese, so we're going to pick one, maybe 2 different kinds, make them, and have sliced hot dogs, probably cucumbers that we still have. Really easy dinner, another easy dinner, grilled cheese, and I found a box of the thin noodles, the chicken broth. We're gonna have that. I'm trying to use things for my pantry so they don't go bad. We're gonna have nachos. I have salsa, tortilla chips, cheese, pretty much everything, black beans. I have frozen taco meat. Didn't get anything for that. We're gonna have calzones. This is using up some of the spicy salami that we got last week for subs. That'll be great in those. Spaghetti and garlic bread. Found the red sticker garlic bread, so that worked out well. And then honey garlic chicken kebabs. I already have frozen chicken from when I bought 10 packs of chicken a few weeks ago. I'm gonna make white rice, and the roasted Brussels sprouts and broccoli will be with that. So the vegetarian can ignore the kebabs. But altogether, this is our meal plan for the week, and I'm pretty excited about it. Even though I bought Mama Cozy's pizza crust, if you want to see how I make homemade pizza crust, that would be great for calzones, you can watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.